And as fight escalates over the farm bills in the parliament, opposition parties have upped ante against government over the now passed farm bills. They will be meeting President Ramnath Kovind at about 5 p.m. today. Sources are also adding that, keeping in mind the COVID protocol, only Ghulam Nabi Azad, the veteran leader of the Congress party, may be allowed to meet the president. Opposition members of parliament protested in the parliament premises with placards saying "Save farmers, save workers, save democracy." The opposition netas who have boycotted the parliament session met leader of opposition in the House, Ghulam Nabi Azad, and this was to strategize the farm bills. Now, the opposition MPs are boycotting Rajya Sabha's Business Advisory Committee meeting yesterday as well. Meanwhile, Kerala Cabinet has decided to look into the possibility of approaching the Supreme Court against the farm bill.
राज्य सभा की हमेशा परंपरा रही है कि कोई भी कानून, कोई भी बिल शोर शराबे में पास नहीं किया जाता है, पारित नहीं किया जाता। लेकिन दुर्भाग्य से ये किसानों से संबंधित बिल, जिसमें करोड़ों किसानों के इंटरेस्ट है, वो क्लास बाय क्लास वोटिंग के बगैर पास हुआ। तो हमने कल राष्ट्रपति जी को भी लिखा है कि जो बिल पास हुआ है उसमें तमाम प्रोसीजर्स जो होते हैं पार्लियामेंट्री, वो पूरे नहीं किए गए हैं, इसलिए वो इस बिल को स्वीकृति न दे। ये हमने लेटर लिखी।
किस तरह का संसदीय लोकतंत्र हम स्थापित कर रहे हैं? किसानों, खेतीहर समाज के खात्मे का बिल पर किस तरह से बहस करवाई गई और डिवीजन इनकार कर दिया गया। मैं कहना चाहूंगा माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी से कि संसद भवन महज एक इमारत नहीं है, वहां इबारत लिखी हमारे पुरखों ने। अब आज आप बिना विपक्ष के श्रमिक वर्गों के लिए बिल लेके आ रहे हैं जो श्रमिकों के हाथ काट देगा, और आपको कोई चिंता भी नहीं है कि विपक्ष नहीं है। क्या संसदीय लोकतंत्र इस प्रकार चलेगा?
And to give us all the latest from the parliament is my colleague Anand Patel joining us. Anand, so at 5 p.m, is it likely that only the leader of opposition in the House, Ghulam Nabi Azad, may meet because of the COVID protocol? And my added question is, do we see the opposition defiance only escalating on the farm bills?
Precisely, yes. Pooja, coming to your first question, yes, only the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, Ghulam Nabi Azad, will be meeting the president and requesting him not to give assent to the 3 bills which have been passed by the parliament regarding the farm reforms. That is one. Earlier, a delegation of 5 MPs was allowed, but the opposition leaders decided that because of the social distancing norm, only one person should go, and only Ghulam Nabi Azad will be meeting him. And they'll be requesting him to return those 3 bills which have been passed by the parliament, because the opposition believes that these have been passed illegally, without any division being allowed by the chair, despite the opposition pressing for it. The MPs are time and again reiterating that they were not given the opportunity for a division, despite they asking for it. And also they are saying that the kind of protests which are going on inside the parliament, all the opposition MPs staged a march from Gandhi statue till B.R. Ambedkar statue inside the parliament premises. This is historic, unprecedented, and the opposition ranks have swelled because all the opposition parties, they have farmers as a key vote base. So be it north in Punjab and Haryana, to south in Tamil Nadu and Andhra as well, the parties have joined ranks, and that is the reason why you see a united opposition boycotting the entire monsoon session, which is likely to be prorogued today. But despite all that, the government is steam pressing through all
that's an important view, what you're telling us. The political defiance we see is also because of a strong farmer vote bank as well. So it's definitely now up to the government to end the deadlock, or this will continue. Thank you so much, Anand Patel, for tracking all the latest. I'll come back to you shortly.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.